Hi, it's Viveltia. First of all, I'm sorry if the audio is a bit borked. There's a lot happening around here right now, and I don't want Mike to pick up everything. And I want to make this quick. I want this video to be quick. Because I want to touch a little bit on what's going on with the new Twitch policy, or whatever. Uh, it's going to be a pain in the ass for a lot of VTuber. Let's be real. Also, I I don't wanna defend anybody, and I'm not here to state what my opinion is. It's not about me, it's not about you, it's about how Twitch and their advertiser and people who put their money in the company view certain things. So, yes, it's absolutely stupid and bonkers because no minor is supposed to be on the platform. And assuming that a petite person having a model that is petite but with a style of like an anime style or even a comic style, but that looks, you know what I'm talking about, right? Uh, it to assume immediately that the person must be a minor or act like a minor. It's kind of, Anyways, what I wanted to say is that if you have a model that is anime styled and is of petite build, you might want to consider some minor changes. Let me, hear me out. Uh, so a lot of the models I've encountered do seem younger than what they're supposed to be, only when it comes to the head versus body ratio, because the body is not the issue most of the time. It's the big head on the petite body. Because if you look at a kid, that's how they look. Their head is bigger in proportion to their body as an adult. And I'm guessing that's what Twitch is going to base their that's how they're gonna say like, oh, this is a loli or a shota, or this is not. So yeah, I want to kind of like talk about that because it sucks, but yeah, you probably will have to make some changes if you want to keep using your model, your Sona, your whatever. All right. So, like, I'm not super prepared, but like I said, this is supposed to be a quick video. Okay, so for for the example sake, I'm not gonna take an existing VTuber model because I wouldn't want people to use my model to do that type of thing. So instead, why not use Diona's body? And you know Diona, right? You know Genshin. Um, I took this off a website. I'm gonna link it below if you want to use it because it's got a multitude of game characters, and you can like flip it around and see the clothes and anything. Anyways, um, so yeah, as you can see, uh, Diona's head is. Hold on, let me use a bigger. Diona's head is larger than her shoulders. In an adult body, even petite, the shoulder length, like the head should be about at most, at most half of the like in terms of uh width, I think. Like I'm eyeballing it. It's been a while since my art classes. I can't remember for sure, but like you get the idea. The head versus the shoulder and also uh the neck. If the neck is super small and super like big like that, it's gonna look like a child's for a lot of people. So, what I did just to speed things up is I took Diona's body and I resized her head. It looks a little bit derpy, but bear with me here. Uh, Usually the shoulders and the hips are about the same width when you are fully grown, even when petite. I'm not saying it's exactly the same. I'm not saying it's the same for everybody. It's just this is a middle standard, I guess. I hate that, but and also uh adding a little bit of jawline, just a smidge, and making the eyes a little bit just a little bit smaller and lower the nose so that it doesn't look like a cat face will help tremendously. I know my art style is not like that. I tend to make my characters look um, very much into their 30s, but I've drawn a lot of anime style before that, and I realized because of how people perceive such characters, they're always going to be they're going to be seen as kids or like underage characters because of what we're used to seeing in real life. You can't really change the society's psyche, you know. So yeah, it sucks. And I hate that people need to be doing that. But if this is the way that's gonna keep you from being banned from Twitch or get in trouble, then I you should really consider that. That being said, again, this is not about my opinion or anybody else's opinion. It's about what are your choices when it comes to moving forward with that, because this is very arbitrary and you don't know who is going to enforce that thing and how they're going to enforce it. Whether they with whether their opinion is going to be a factor or not, you won't have any power over that. So I'd say play it safe and try to make do with what you have, I guess. I'm sorry, this is a bit convoluted, but yeah, I'm trying to be politically correct without you know, it's hard. It's this is what it is nowadays on social media and like if you have a platform, you need to be careful about what you say, how you say it, and try to not piss off half of the planet. So this is my 2 cents. I hope this helps you. And honestly, if you need help with design or anything, I'd be happy to consult. So you know where to get me. Like, you can write in the comment or whatever. Uh, because even though I'm not gonna be targeted by that thing, I would hate to see someone's hard work go down the toilet just because of that. So yeah, if I can help anybody, then I'll try. I'll do my best. Anyways, stay safe, everybody, and I'll be back and posting funny videos after that. Goodbye.